In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Laravel project on a subdomain using Hostinger. Whether you're launching a new project or managing an existing one, these detailed steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's start by creating a subdomain in Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to your control panel. Look for the Domains section and click on Subdomains. Here, you'll see an option to create a new subdomain. Enter your desired name, making it memorable yet relevant to your project. Once you have it typed out, link it to your main domain. After filling in these details, hit the Create button. This will initiate the setup of your new subdomain, providing a dedicated space for your Laravel project. With your subdomain ready, it's time to upload your Laravel files. Access your Hostinger file manager, usually found in the Files section of the control panel. Navigate to the folder designated for your subdomain. This folder will typically be named after your subdomain itself, making it easy to identify. With this folder open, you're set to upload your Laravel files. Use either the File Manager's upload feature or a reliable FTP client. Doing this ensures that your application files transfer correctly to the server, maintaining their structure. Moving on, we need to set the appropriate folder permissions and environment variables. This step is crucial for your application to function securely and efficiently. Locate the storage and bootstrap cache directories within your subdomain folder. Adjust the permissions to 775, granting the necessary read, write, and execute permissions to the server. This setup is essential for Laravel to access and modify these directories as required. Next, let's consider environment variables. Open the .env example file and use it as a template to create a new .env file. This new file will hold the specific configurations your application needs to run effectively, include database credentials, application keys, and any other environment-specific settings necessary for Laravel. With configurations in place, it's time to run migrations and test your setup. Migrations are essential because they set up the initial database structure according to your Laravel project's requirements. Connect to your server via SSH, which gives you the capability to use Laravel's Artisan command line tool. Once connected, run the command php artisan migrate. This will apply all pending migrations to your database. Keep an eye out for any errors or notifications during this process, as they'll provide real-time insights into the setup. Finally, navigate to your subdomain through a web browser to test the application. This step will confirm that everything is configured correctly and that your Laravel project is up and running. And there you have it, a complete guide to deploying a Laravel application on a subdomain with Hostinger. By following these steps, you've ensured a smooth and organized setup process. Thank you for watching and happy coding.